How fast is the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold charging speed? You'll be surprised at just how much faster the Pixel 10 Pro Fold finally charges compared to its predecessor, because Google has not only improved the hardware, but also focused on giving users a much-needed upgrade in battery and charging technology. And the results are impressive, because the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold now supports up to 39W wired charging and up to 15W Qi2 wireless charging, making it one of the fastest charging Pixel devices ever released. And when paired with 30W or higher PPS charger, it can charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes, which is a massive leap compared to the Pixel 9 Pro Fold that only supported 21W charging. So in one generation, Google has almost doubled the speed, proving that it is finally listening to user demands for faster charging. And that's not all, because under the hood, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold ships with a larger 5,015 mAh battery, an increase of 365 mAh over its predecessor, which means longer endurance and better all-day performance for heavy users, especially with the new Tensor G5 chipset built by TSMC that promises improved efficiency. And when you combine bigger capacity with faster charging, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold becomes a far more reliable device for people who don't want to worry about battery life. And here's where it gets even more interesting, because Google's new charging technology doesn't just beat its older Pixel models. It even crushes its biggest rival, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, which still charges at only 25W, meaning the Pixel 10 Pro Fold offers more than 50% faster wired charging, giving users a clear edge in day-to-day usage. And that's a bold move from Google, one that could tempt Samsung Foldable users to make the switch, especially those who value convenience and efficiency. But the innovation doesn't stop there, because Google has also embraced Qi2 magnetic wireless charging across the Pixel 10 lineup, including the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, which means for the first time on a Pixel Foldable you can stick it directly onto a MagSafe-style magnetic charger without needing a third-party case or sticker, bringing a seamless iPhone-like charging experience to Android. And with Qi2, wireless charging speeds have doubled from the 7.5W seen on the Pixel 9 Pro Fold to a much faster 15W on the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, meaning your device charges significantly quicker even without plugging in. And with official Qi2 supported accessories under Google's new Pixelsnap lineup, users will get a full ecosystem of wireless chargers, stands, and docks designed to perfectly complement the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. So not only is wired charging finally competitive, but wireless charging has also been elevated to a level that makes daily charging smoother and more futuristic. And if you're wondering what this means in practical use, imagine plugging your phone in before heading into the shower and having it jump to 50% battery before you're even dressed, or simply dropping it onto a Pixelsnap wireless charger at night and waking up to a full charge with no effort. This is the kind of convenience that redefines how we think about powering our devices, and it makes the Pixel 10 Pro Fold one of the most well-rounded foldables in the world. Because while battery life and charging speeds often get overshadowed by displays and cameras, they are arguably the most important features that affect how reliable and stress-free your phone feels every day. And Google has nailed it with the Pixel 10 Pro Fold by delivering faster wired speeds, doubling wireless performance, and packing a larger battery to handle the demands of its big book-style foldable design. And all of this makes the Pixel 10 Pro Fold not just a small upgrade, but a major leap forward, showing that Google is serious about competing in the premium foldable market. So if you've been waiting for a foldable that doesn't compromise on charging and endurance, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is a device to beat, because this smartphone finally combines efficiency, speed, and convenience in a way that feels truly premium. And that's why it is one of the most exciting foldables of 2025, ready to power your day faster and smarter. And as always, for more in-depth tech coverage and the latest updates on smartphones, stay tuned with us right here on TechVerse.